Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Maths PFF. So let's get started. So in this session we are going to discuss about the geometric series formula, right? Because in previous one we have already discussed about geometric sequence, right? So what is the use of geometric series formula? See, using this one we can find out three things. First one, nth term, okay? Then for finding the sum of finite geometric series. You can see on the screen. First point is like you can find the nth term, right? Second one, you can find a finite geometric series sum. Third one, you can find out the sum of infinite geometric series. See, we have discussed in previous one, like जब भी आप सीरीज की बात कर रहे हो, ठीक है, ज्योमेट्रिक हो सकता है, अरिथमेटिक हो सकता है, ठीक है, हार्मोनिक हो सकता है. जब भी सीरीज की बात आती है, then that means we are discussing about sum. एंड सम हम फाइनाइट सीरीज का भी डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, इनफाइनाइट का भी, राइट? बिकॉज अगर हमें लास्ट टर्म नहीं पता दैट मींस इट इज इनफाइनाइट, सो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दैट आल्सो, राइट? सो हम सारी चीजें कवर करेंगे. नाउ लेट्स सी फर्स्ट वन, फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला फॉर nth term of geometric sequence, right? So let us consider a geometric series whose first term is a, right? फर्स्ट टर्म आपको गिवन है a एंड कॉमन रेशियो इज r. सो पैटर्न क्या फॉलो हो रहा है यहाँ पर? a प्लस ए आर स्क्वायर एंड सो ऑन, राइट? नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट nth टर्म. nth टर्म आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो nth टर्म का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? a r raised to power n minus 1, राइट? सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. a यहाँ पर क्या है? फर्स्ट टर्म, राइट? एंड r आपका कॉमन रेशियो फॉर ऑल द टर्म्स. ये नहीं कि सिर्फ फर्स्ट 5 के लिए या फर्स्ट 6 के लिए, जितने भी टर्म्स होंगे, एनी टर्म होंगे, डजंट मैटर, सभी का जो कॉमन रेशियो आएगा वो सेम रहेगा, इट विल बी r, ठीक है? और n मींस नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, ठीक है? सो वी विल जस्ट डायरेक्टली यूज दिस फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड द एनी टर्म. एंड नोट फॉर ओनली एनी टर्म, see this is formula like a n equals to a r raised to power n minus 1. If you need to find out first term, second term, third, fourth, fifth, any term, then you can use this formula directly and put the value of n over there, ठीक है? Now next one is the sum formula of finite geometric series, ठीक है? अब finite आ रहा है, that means कि आपको number of terms पता है, last term भी आपको पता है, ठीक है? तो पैटर्न क्या फॉलो हो रहा है? a plus ar square plus so on and last term is arn minus 1. nth term हम अभी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, राइट? जस्ट अभी डिस्कस किया कि nth टर्म क्या होता है. सो nth टर्म आपको पता है, दैट मींस इट इज फाइनाइट, ठीक है? सो a आपका फर्स्ट टर्म है, r इज अ कॉमन रेशियो फॉर ऑल टर्म्स एंड n इज द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, राइट? सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली यूज द फॉर्मूला एंड द फॉर्मूला इज a 1 minus r raised to power n divided by 1 minus r and it will be written as Sn, ठीक है? sum of n terms and it is finite, ठीक है? so formula is a 1 minus r raised to power n, right? divided by 1 minus r. Now next one, we will discuss about questions also regarding each formula, because for first one we have already discussed in the sequence part, right? like you have to find out nth term or 10th term, 12th term. Now some formula of infinite. अब infinite की बात कर रहे हैं, right? so infinite में क्या होगा? wait a second, yeah. so pattern फॉलो हो रहा है a plus ar square plus ar cube and so on. अब last term हमें नहीं पता, that means it is infinite series, right? so sum of infinite series. infinite series के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है? जब भी सम की बात करें you have to use Sn, right? so इसका फॉर्मूला रहेगा a upon 1 minus r. this is very simple, ठीक है? अब यहाँ पर क्या है? सी प्रीवियस वन, दिस वन, nth टर्म फाइंड आउट किया था आपने, a r raised to power n minus 1. देन सेकंड वन क्या था? आपको फाइनाइट टर्म का a 1 minus r raised to power n divided by 1 minus r. एंड थर्ड वन आपका है इनफाइनाइट के लिए, सो a divided by 1 minus r, ठीक है? डायरेक्टली आपको फॉर्मूला यूज करना है, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट ऑल द टर्म्स, राइट? नाउ द थिंग इज दैट कि let's say if anybody is preparing for competitive exams, then they can also type in the comment section if they want derivation, right? if they want derivation they can type in the comment section, so no need to worry about that. If anybody want, I will discuss about the terms and definition and derivations also, right? So next thing is that कि आपको एक क्वेश्चन गिवन है, फाइंड द 10th टर्म ऑफ द ज्योमेट्रिक सीक्वेंस. You have to find out the 10th term. So what will be the 10th term? You have to directly use the formula, and the formula over here is first term is 1, right? And common ratio you have to find out, that is r 4 by 1, because this is second term divided by first term, so this is 4. For cross you can do also 16 by 4, again it is 4. Okay, now a आपको पता है, r आपको पता है, you have to find out 10th term. So a n equals to a r raised to power n minus 1, and a यहाँ पर आपको given है 1, r is given 4, and this is 10th term, so it will be a 10, and it will be 10 minus 1, right? So 1 into 4 raised to power 9. So this is just a calculation part, so you can do it as yourself, right? Now, because calculation part is yours and mine is to clear all the concepts, right? So you have to type in the comment section what will be the answer. Next one is second question. So after this, we are going to discuss about the second question, and the second question is given over here. You can see on the screen. Calculate the sum of geometric series, right? You have to calculate geometric series. See, अब यहाँ पर क्या है, आपको a का वैल्यू गिवन है, r का वैल्यू गिवन है, n का. That means it is finite because n terms. N means number of terms, and this is 10. So you can directly use the formula. Okay, no need to worry about this one also because you are given everything. So what will be the formula for Sn? Yeah. So what will be the formula for Sn? And if it is finite, so for finite it is given over here a1 minus r is to power n upon 1 minus r, right? A का वैल्यू आप डायरेक्टली पुट कर सकते हो, that is 5, and 1 minus r का वैल्यू है 1.5 and n is 10, right? And next one is 1 minus r, 1 minus 1.5. So this is the formula you are going to use for this one. Now this is the calculation part. Again, you have to solve this calculation and you have to type in the comment section what will be the answer, right? So this is all about series. Nothing, I don't think so anything is left regarding the geometric series. So guys, if you have any doubt or you want any derivation, I asked you earlier also, then you can type in the comment section. Definitely I will describe in next video lecture, right? So if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe the channel, because if you want further notifications then you have to do this. Okay, and please video को like करें, share करें. Thank you.